Hey y'all, it's been a long while. Hey Lux babes, I miss y'all. Excuse me. I'm trying to get myself together, but I did just order a bag and I just want to do an unboxing. Well, as you can see, it's an unbagging because it's in a bag. So you guys can get my initial reaction. This bag is off Amazon and I will leave the link for you guys, okay? So let's get started. Alright, hopefully this is a good angle for y'all. Let's see the bag. So I was very skeptical about this bag. Well, okay. I loved it, but I just wish it was more black than the color that I had. But they have, I think, 4 different options, and this was one of them. Beautiful bag from what I seen online, but I still was more so, I think, looking for just like a more black, sleek bag or a bag with studs. Like, I just like statement pieces. Yeah, so I try to like get things that's gonna pop. Oh, like hints. It's the bag I've been carrying for the past couple days. So me and my daughter went to the movies. I carry this bag. So that's what I mean. Like I like bags that stand out because I wear overgarments. So my overgarments, well, I can't say my overgarments plain. That's not really true. But for the most part, you know what I mean? It's just like my winter clothes are just like a real sleek look. I wear like a black and white tweed coat and things like that. So I try to just, you know, this is, my bags are my statement pieces, basically what I'm trying to say. Okay, so it comes in this little flimsy dust bag. The bag feels good though. It feels like it has a substantial weight. It feels nice. Ooh. Ooh, okay, y'all. That's the first taste of, ooh. Ooh. Oh my God, I love it. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, I seen the reviews and it did say it's better in person. They ain't lie. And I chose to get this color because, like I said, my coat is black and white. All my accessories is black. But my winter boots are tan. And I wear them in the cold. And then when I get to work, I normally change out into some dress shoes for work. Ooh, it's beautiful. Y'all know I always gotta come to y'all with something beautiful. This is gorgeous. But it's kind of, to me, it's smaller than I thought it would be. All right, y'all. Let me take it all the way out to the dust. Here's my new beautiful bag. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, because if y'all didn't know, I sold all of my bags. I sold all of my replica bags. Yeah. Okay. Shorty been having a hard time, so I needed them coins. I wound up selling all of them. Thank God for that. Matter of fact, no, I have 2 left, but I think they'll be sold soon. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I gotta take the plastic off. This color is wow. Let me open it up. This is the zipper. And this is why I really got this bag, because it is a zipper. My new bag that I have that I will show you guys is a tote bag. Basically, it's like the Neverfull, but it's not a Neverfull. But it's gorgeous and it's a statement piece. Y'all see it. Y'all want to see. Y'all know how I do. Y'all want to see. Ooh, okay. Zipper pretty smooth. Beautiful match, exactly. Got that sheen on it. Okay, got some weight to it. Mommy. Nice strap. Mommy. That's my child as always, y'all. Stuffed to the max, but this is, yeah, this is smaller though. Woo. It's tight. Maybe that's what it is, because they did say the opening was tight, but maybe it's not as small as it's seeming to me. This kind of seemed like a Speedy 25 to me. Woo. Y'all see all this? Y'all see all that stuff in? Yeah, no, this is small. This is small. I might actually have to send this back. This is too small. I'm serious. I mean, it's not going to fit what I got it for. Like, it's for work. And I really needed to carry my lunch in. Not need, but my bag's got to fit my lunch. Because I'm po, and I got to take lunch to work every day. Actually, breakfast and lunch. So, this is nice. This emblem is nice. Wow. This is really nice. Got a nice weight to it. Okay. This is excellent. Okay, Amazon. Good quality. Small bag. I mean, I might not send it back, but this just defeats my whole purpose because I take public transportation and it's been raining a lot. So, you know, I have, like I said, a tote bag. So it's just everything get rained on. I'll see though we can fit. What I don't like is this lining. It's very cheaply made. Like, well, it's really dark, but, well, I mean, it's okay. It's just like really thin and I don't know. Hopefully the bag it's more flexible after a while. I mean, I could keep it just for like the weekend's personal use, but other than that, that's all, y'all. This is my new bag from Amazon. I'll leave the link, and thanks for watching. I will be talking to y'all soon, and peace. Oh my goodness.